Okay, here's a Fridgemaster 2-door apartment size fridge freezer. Really nice size. Freezer gets pretty cold. I have it plugged in. It's the refrigerator part. It's got a nice little light inside of it. The drawer, the 2 shelves. Got shelves in the door. It's also got the kit that you can make it swing the right way, or make it change this out and make it swing the left way, which is pretty awesome. It has film around it, so you can peel that off. Really nice little fridge. It stands about 48 inches tall. Oh, excuse me, 46 inches tall. It is 19 1/4 deep, and it is, if I can get my tape measure to work with me, 18 1/2 wide. It's quiet, I don't hear it running. And again, it's the 4.4. It's from Costco. Really nice unit.